Hello, my name's Jada and I'm a STEM ambassador. I work in the Human Resources Department at Edwards, which is part of the Atlas Copco Group. Now, you may not have heard of us before, but we're a global market leader of vacuum solutions. And did you know that vacuum is one of the hidden secrets behind many of the products we rely on every day? Our products enable the scientific research, food preservation, and manufacture of smart devices and televisions, as well as preventing the release of hazardous gases into our environment. We're a global company creating innovative solutions that tackle important sustainability and environmental issues. In this video, some of my colleagues will explain more about what they do here at Edwards and how our products move through the development, production, quality, marketing, and service life cycle. So if you're wondering if a career in STEM is right for you, or if you want to find out more about the jobs available with Edwards, keep watching for a unique insight into how a large global engineering company works.
Hello, my name is Russell and I'm a STEM ambassador. My role is Market Sector Manager covering scientific applications for Edwards. This is a business development and sales support role. At school, I initially chose to concentrate on art subjects for my GCSEs, choosing geography and history, but changed my mind to do pure sciences for A-levels. I then went on to study mechanical engineering with French at Birmingham University, which included a one-year Erasmus exchange at INSA de Lyon in France. After university, I joined Edwards. I've now been working here for 20 years, initially in technical and now in marketing. I work in our European Customer Centre, which consists of a team of around 63 sales, customer care, marketing and service people. As part of my role, I work with our sales teams to ensure that our products meet the needs of our customers and remain class leading. In order to do that, I visit customers to find out their needs that we cannot currently satisfy, find out the requirements for new markets that we would like to enter, keep up to date with competitor products, and carry out research on new market trends, such as a move to more connected products with Internet of Things. This is then all fed back to our product managers with market pricing data to include in their specifications for new products to ensure that we develop market-leading products that meet the needs of new or existing customers at a price they're prepared to pay. I also support our sales teams as a product and applications specialist. My role requires a broad range of skills, including technical to understand the customer needs, system modeling, use of computers, and English language for writing promotional marketing materials.
Hi, my name's Phil and I'm a STEM ambassador. My role is one of about 15 engineering managers distributed around the globe for Edwards. I studied mechanical engineering at Sussex University, which included a significant content from other engineering disciplines such as electrical, electronics and software. I work as part of a team of about 80 people who spend their time expanding our knowledge of new technologies and how they might contribute to our products. Our existing products are world-class, but the way they're used and the environment where they're used is constantly changing. And so our products need to evolve in line with these changes, like cars, phones, and any other product that you can think of. One of my roles is to generate ideas of how to make our products better. We combine these ideas with the customer requirements that my colleagues have described to you, and these result in the creation of a concept for a new product. Taking the best ideas forward is done with collaborative teams that are formed in our manufacturing sites or factories, and development of a new product is completed for our customers. This development process may take a few months for a simple product, with a team comprising of only a few members, or it may take several years for a complex product with teams of more than 100 people. We try to use digital tools as much as possible to simulate the product before making actual parts, as this allows us to complete the whole process more quickly and with more confidence. These digital tools include computer-aided design, modeling, fluid flow simulation, heat transfer, and stress analysis, and computer-aided manufacture, machine cutting program generation, and simulation, as well as digital modeling tools, sometimes supplied by another company, and sometimes these are created by ourselves. The product development team needs many skills, including design, to create and define the shapes and sizes of every part, or algorithms for software, or circuits for electronics. Manufacturing, who decide how things can be made. Validation, who test and evaluate the design to make sure it performs as expected in a safe way. And quality, who ensure that when we make lots of these things, they all behave the same way to the same standard. The result of this collaboration and effort is a new product that we can sell to our customers.
Hi, my name is Mike and I'm a STEM ambassador. My role is to work with our marketing, engineering and sales functions to provide them with the modelling they need to specify, design and sell our products. I studied mathematics at university, but nowadays I spend more time in physics and engineering. At school, I loved sciences and sport. My team provides modelling tools to enable our marketing team to understand what our customers need and design tools to help our designers know what our pump will do before we start making it, meaning that we can design the best product quickly without the time and cost to build every option. We also support the validation process by looking at how strong our components are and calculating how long they will last. Our job isn't done when we have a new product. We need to provide more tools to allow our sales team to show the customer how our products will improve their systems. All of this needs me to have the skills in physics and programming, and also to collaborate with our teams around the world and teach our users how to use my software.
Hi, my name is Megha Ajmal and I'm a STEM ambassador. I joined Edwards in 2011 and currently work as a product manager in the marketing division. As a product manager, I work closely with the engineering team throughout the design and development phase to ensure that the product we develop meet the customer requirements. Once the product has passed the required performance and reliability testing, it is then ready to be launched. To launch a product into the market, we follow lots of strategies and tools. The most important route to market is, of course, our sales force. As a product manager, I'm responsible for training the sales team. For this, a detailed understanding of the product is required. For example, how it works, its technical features and benefits. It's also important to research your competitors and to understand why your product is better than the competition. The second part is, of course, to help sales understand the sector and application where the product is best suited. In Edwards, we cater to a wide range of sectors. Each market sector requires a specific product that is best suited for their application. By doing this research, it helps sales target the right customer. The next important topic is pricing. Pricing the product is very important. For this, I also try to understand how competitors price a product across the globe. The second part of my job is to use various channels to attract more customers. For this, I speak to the sales team across the region to find out the most relevant exhibitions coming up where we can display our product. I'm also responsible for working with the marketing communications team to develop support materials. This can include customer presentation, flyers, posters, data sheets, etc. I also work with the comms team to produce posts and campaigns that can be used to promote the product on various social media platforms such as LinkedIn, Facebook, etc. I have a background in electrical and electronics engineering. Having an engineering degree has really helped me understand the customer processes more, what they really require, and translate this into product specifications for our engineering team. I have also completed a diploma in professional marketing through the Chartered Institute of Marketing that has given me the skills to do my job better as a marketeer. That's all from my side. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Gavin and I am a STEM ambassador. My role is a global account manager for Edwards. I studied electrical and electronics engineering at University of Huddersfield, followed by a Masters of Physics at University of Salford. When I was at school, I really enjoyed maths and all sciences, but especially physics. That's because I'm dyslexic and I struggle with English-based subjects. I have been in sales roles since I graduated nearly 20 years ago. I chose this career as I wanted to use my technical ability, but I wanted to travel and to have social interactions. This sales role is mainly a customer management role. I am a tip of an iceberg. I work with many departments and people to ensure the customer stays happy all the way through the sales process and beyond. The length of time to make a sale can vary from one meeting right through to many years of discussion. Edwards is a supplier of equipment. Its applications are very diverse. They include space science, medical research, and automotive development, to name a few. Our equipment has even enabled scientists to win a Nobel Prize. Being involved with such a wide variety of projects makes the role interesting as you are continuously learning and developing new skills. In sales, we are the eyes and ears of the business. It is not just about selling a product or a service. We learn valuable information about the marketing sector, which needs to be fed back to the business to ensure that our products are just as valid in years to come as they are today.
Hi, I'm Tom. I'm a STEM ambassador, and at Edwards, I'm product manager for service. I studied motorsport engineering at university, and my favourite subjects at school were physics and chemistry. So what do we do in service? We are involved throughout the development of new products, ensuring they are designed for service, focusing on the points you can see on this slide. We also develop service strategy, looking at how often a pump needs a service and the parts required, taking into account both product and customer needs. After a product is launched, we also take care of the service life cycle. Here's a short video to explain.
To help our customers look beyond the visible and manage the future of each piece of equipment, we devised an easy-to-use life cycle model. Each stage corresponds with matching actions and messages to the customer. Just like springtime, the premium phase presents a new beginning. A modern, attractive, innovative product is sold to the customer. It's the result of extensive R&D, validation and testing that represents a significant investment for our customers and Edwards. Our customers benefit from receiving the latest technology and great efficiency. It's a high-value yet competitive offer. To protect this investment, only the highest levels of service are available. There are no competitors yet for service, and while the service volume is low, this is no time for discounts. Summer reflects the maturity of our product in the market. As competing products are now available, the sales price may slightly erode to keep within market expectations. In order to remain competitive, the number and types of service may be increased to provide the maximum amount of choice based on application, operating costs, and the benefit of higher volumes. Autumn heralds the period of greatest change. Sales for the product are now in the declining phase. The installed base is fully established. Production is either coming to an end or may have already stopped. Products may still be supplied and service support is still offered. As we proceed through the obsolete phase, the ability to offer some services may reduce. Component parts may no longer be produced, and supply channels may become unstable. As aging equipment is becoming more expensive to maintain, we explain to our customers that service costs will start to rise, and start work with them to prepare for the winter ahead. Winter has arrived. Sales for the product have stopped, and focus has moved to newer products. Customers should be aware that ownership and operating costs will become expensive, and service level will decline until it will eventually cease to be available. At this point, there is no other option but to upgrade, but that may prove complex and costly for some older equipment if the upgrade has not been planned with service. With the 4 stages of the life cycle model, we can help customers maximize their investment, ensure the continuity of their production, and plan their maintenance budget. We can better manage our customers' expectations across the life cycle and improve our business at the same time.
So now you have a good understanding about what we call the product life cycle. However, none of this would be possible without the support of our central functions. Next, we'll hear from some of our colleagues in these departments as they tell you a little bit more about what they do.
Hi, my name is Simi and I'm a STEM ambassador. I studied at Hertfordshire University and graduated with a joint honours degree in business and psychology. My job title now is Office 365 Adoption Specialist. I work in information systems for Vacuum Technique. It includes everything from IT, security, transforming business processes and project management. We support, develop and roll out business applications and systems, and we continuously work on a wide range of projects. I work in a team called Business Process Improvement. We create an environment to support employees, our end users, to use the Microsoft tools and apps available to us in the right way for our business area. We are a central function in the business, meaning we support all divisions. One of the great things about my role is that it has many touch points. For example, IT and security are always so fundamental in what we do, and it gives me the opportunity to understand what's really going on behind the scenes. As Office 365 is cloud-based, one of the biggest benefits is the ability to work from anywhere on any device. Being on cloud means that we also get the latest updates pushed through automatically, just like we do with our apps on our mobile phones today. I keep track of what's happening and provide guidance to the business. I also have the opportunity to see what features are coming and whether we should turn them on or off based on our needs in VT. It's very important to know that at every stage in the product lifecycle, an Office 365 app would have been used to enable effective collaboration, helping people connect with each other in an intelligent way so we can continue to be more productive in what we do. Office 365 is much more than Outlook emails though. Outlook is only one app from many. Office 365 is designed to let you pick and choose a tool that you want. One of the core tools we use today and on a daily basis is Microsoft Teams. We now start there for communications like chat, attend meetings, and collaborate on work in a dedicated team group. It's our main workspace. As well as the everyday apps like Excel, PowerPoint, and Word, which you would have heard of, they are usually the building block tools for what we need to get done. Another app we use in the business is OneDrive. Today, it's a tool we are expected and required to use. It's a place to store and protect our work documents. And if we need to, we can collaborate with others by sharing a link to a file from our personal OneDrives, even with someone from outside the business, for example, a customer or a supplier. There are a range of apps designed to help our employees to make the most out of their working day. Without Office 365, it wouldn't be possible to be as efficient as we are today, and we're still learning every day.
Hello, my name is Bill and I am a STEM ambassador. My current role is lead engineer in the quality group and my previous role was in technical support. I studied mechanical engineering at university and after a few years work experience I completed an MSc. At school my favourite subjects were maths and physics. In the following presentation I would like to give you a flavour of 2 work areas in the company, quality and technical support. The aim of a quality system is to control what is done and how it is done so there is consistency in any given output. The output can be anything from a document to a machine part or a complete assembled vacuum pump. The start of the process is to define the output, i.e. the product that we want. In the case of a vacuum pump, we start with customer requirements from which we create a specification with details such as performance requirements, size, weight, power, cost, and reliability requirements. The product development procedures define what information is required so that we progress from a concept or a technical demonstrator unit to a fully defined and tested product ready for manufacture and sale. The development process is carried out and progress is checked at key points called stage gates. At the end of the process, we have a developed product which, if it meets the requirements of the master specification, progresses to full production. In the ideal world, the perfect product is then available for use by customers. However, the reality is that there is always room for improvement. We check if the product actually performs how we and the customer want it to. If the product is not performing properly or as expected, feedback through technical support will tell us that the customer is not satisfied. In order to correct problems or to improve product or processes, change is then required. Based on the check observations, we then implement changes to processes or product designs in order to effect an improvement. The new version is then put into practice and the iterative cycle continues. The end goal is to achieve efficient ways of working that satisfy internal customer needs and also to provide an end product that gives external customer satisfaction. So in summary, what we don't want is a product that fails, it's unreliable and an unhappy customer. What we do want is a reliable product and a satisfied customer. Thank you for listening.
Hi, my name is Isabel and I am a STEM ambassador. I joined Edwards in 2018 and currently work in the Safety, Health and Environment Department as an environmental specialist. As an environmental specialist, I work with the teams at our facilities to reduce our impact on the environment and promote sustainability. In this presentation, I'm going to give you a summary of what safety, health and environment means to Edwards. At Edwards, we have several key principles relating to safety, health and environment. This is so that we can look after employees, customers and the planet. These key principles are that safety is 100% of our behaviour 100% of the time. We are committed to providing the safest products and services. We all take personal responsibility for our safety and the safety of those around us. We strive to be the environmental leader in the field of vacuum and abatement. We are committed to producing environmentally friendly products and operating in a sustainable way. And finally, our technologies enable our customers to reduce their environmental impact. As part of the Atlas Copco Group, we support our principles by adopting the Atlas Copco goals, which are launched every 3 years. The most recent goals related to safety, health and environment include reducing our CO2 emissions in relation to cost of sales by 50% by 2030, and ensuring that employees increasingly feel like we take genuine interest in their physical and mental well-being. So how are we working to achieve our goals? All of our production sites are certified to 3 ISO standards. These are ISO 45001, which is focused on the management of occupational health and safety, ISO 14001, which is related to environmental management systems, and ISO 9001, which looks at the management of quality systems. We employ safety, health and environment managers at every product company and are constantly looking for ways to improve, so have monthly team calls in which we share best practice stories. In addition, all product companies that are able to are switched to 100% renewable electricity, and we also have other environmental initiatives ongoing, such as the replacement of fluorescent lights with more energy efficient LED alternatives. On the product side of things, when designing products, our engineers take into account factors relating to safety, health and the environment. Some of our products even prevent gases with high global warming potential from reaching the atmosphere, such as abatement systems. Other ways in which Edwards products help to reduce negative environmental impacts is by the installation of variable speed drives, which can offer energy savings of up to 35%, as well as the development of oil-free products. Aside from our production centres and products, we also engage with topics of safety, health and environment via corporate social responsibility projects. This includes our company charity, Water for All, which has supported increased access to clean water, sanitation and hygiene across the world. Employee donations to the charity are double matched by the company, and as a result, 2 million people globally have provided with this access.
So that concludes our video for you today. We hope you found it useful. If you would like to find out more about Edwards, then please visit our website. If you have any specific questions, then please feel free to drop us an email. Thank you for watching.